Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to add location to your Instagram story. It's pretty simple and easy, so let's get started. First we need to open Instagram. Now open the home tab and here you can see there is your story. We tap on that. You can do that only on new stories, so if you already post something you can't add location. So now we choose photo or video and then we select the sticker at the top right next to text and 3 stars too. Now here you can search if you don't see the location sticker, but I see it, so I tap on it. It will suggest some locations. You can tap on the search bar whatever you want and then you will see something like that. You can switch it, the size of it, by squeezing it, and you can tap on it to change the view. That's pretty much it.
If you are interested in professional software based on your own interests, check out the video description. Anyway, thanks for watching.